Alright, these are going to be the elevators here at the Home2 Suites, Lakeside Village Town Center here in Lakeland, Florida. And we got the Schindler elevators, Schindler 3300s, I believe. It's got your FIGS buttons. And here's this elevator. Yep, I believe these are 3300s. 4. I think I closed the door on somebody. Room 4, 1. And here we're back at 1. I find it interesting how the lights are not in the center of the ceiling, more on the side. Here we're back at 1. Capacity is 2500, by the way. This is car to 1. We'll set this car away, we'll get the other one. There goes that elevator. And now we'll get the right car. I call those see better days. And we have this elevator. 4. You're on 4. Back down to 1. 4 close button works. We all like that. Here's your cab view. It's just like the other elevator, except this one's bigger. Lights seem to be bright on this elevator. Anyways, there's your floor gear. Certificate right there. FIGS buttons. Capacity, I believe, is 3500, but it's not set, unfortunately. And you're back at 1. We'll go back to 4 to get a view. Get a close up on the indicator so it's hard to see on the camera. You're back at 4. Yeah, this has a 3,500-pound capacity, judging by the certificates. We'll bring the downshine for you. I love that downshine though on 3300s. Now let's see what we'll see for a view. We'll go down this way first. Not much to see from this direction other than apartment buildings. You got a movie theater over there, burger restaurant. Sorry, it's hard to see with the sun. Over there you can kind of see Route 570/Pole Parkway. Parking lot down there. There is one of your set of steps. That is your maintenance storage area. Fire extinguisher. And now we'll go over to the other side of the hotel to see what that view offers. Then we'll go back down the elevator. housekeeper part right there. I'm gonna put the camera down for a second. Another fire extinguisher right there. And now we'll see what this view offers to go back down the elevator. Yeah, nothing exciting on this side either. Got a Kohl's store right there. Over there, I believe that's Hardin Boulevard. Overall, nothing really exciting from this side of the hotel. There's your second set of steps, which serves the roof. Another fire or Honeywell fire alarm pulse station. Another fire extinguisher. And now we'll go back down the elevators and end the video. And now let's go back down the elevator. And we got the same one we came up in. Back down to one, we'll end the video down there. Sorry, it's hard to see since the light's bright. Here we're back in one, watch the phone go out. And there go the elevators, and those were the elevators here at the Home2 Suites at Lakeside Village Town Center in Lakeland, Florida. And I guess that will be it.